Hi, I'm Eddy, the Executive Director of Deblin Health Concepts of Texas. What I want to do is I want to encourage you. We have a conference coming up on April 25th, and we're bringing together a lot of great people, a lot of great speakers. But more importantly, what this is about is it's about our youth, and to talk about where we are right now and then where we need to be in the future as far as resources, as far as programs and things to help them. Because if you think about the last 2 years and what they've been through with the pandemic and just their world of being forced into seclusion in a lot of different areas, it creates a lot of mental health issues for folks. So we need to come together as a community, whether it be teachers, parents, mentors, business owners, mental health professionals, social workers. All of us need to come together. Because let me just finish by saying, as you can see behind me, this beautiful sky. Right now I'm standing overlooking Las Cruces, New Mexico. I have the mountains behind me. It's a beautiful sky. It's a beautiful day. But what's coming is there's a storm coming. And it's a storm that has to do with our youth that have been through so much, and they're becoming young adults and moving into the workforce. And unfortunately, the world that they got used to for a couple of years is already changing again. If you think about before the pandemic, during the pandemic, and now coming out of it, there are so many different issues to deal with and so many different things that can affect the mental health of our kids and our young adults. So what I encourage you to do is get involved. Talk with no action is just that, it's talk. So April 25th, join us at this conference. This isn't just about Texas, this is about the United States. This is about our kids and what we can do and what resources we already have in place, but more importantly, as a community, what do we need to put in place? Be there, be part of the solution. A lot of people like to talk about it, say, yeah, it's a problem, but we need you there. Whether you're a teacher, whether you're a business owner, social worker, mental health professional, be there on April 25th. Thank you, and I'll see you there.